Was I doing the Navy one?
No, he's going military.
Chill, dude. I ain't going to do you yet. Yeah. So this dog starts pumping me.
Oh, look at that. Look at him.
Okay, you gotta get the full pictures. He's down on the ground doing military push-ups, slap push-ups, everything, okay?
And all of a sudden, this 150-pound dog mounts me. The dog mounted me.
And you
pushed me to the ground. That's how much thrust he was.
And the bet was he had to do them without stopping. So he's doing this and he's trying not to stop, and Logan is just. You knew Logan was gonna do it, didn't you? No.
Well, there, senor.
But I wish I got.
Dude, get in your corner.
You recording?
You hear a bell?
Yeah.
I did not hear a bell. Yeah, you're getting me ready for my next fight, huh? I got your butt. Get off of it! Get yourself!
He's hiding in his kennel now.